Here is a question from IIT JAM 2019 from electrostatics. In this question it is given that a small spherical ball having charge q and mass m is tied to a thin massless non-conducting string of length L. The other end of the string is fixed to an infinitely extended non-thin conducting sheet with uniform surface charge density sigma. Under equilibrium, the string makes an angle 45 degrees with the sheet as shown in the figure. The sigma is given by where g is the acceleration due to gravity and epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space. Here four options are given. So let's solve this question. So if this is the conducting sheet and this is the mass object of charge of mass m and charge q, then there will be an electrostatic force between these two. So let this magnitude of electrostatic force is equal to F, and there is mg, means weight of the object is mg. Now if the tension of the string is equal to T, then we can resolve this T into two components. In this component, this angle is 45 degree or theta, so we can write here this as T cos theta, and this component is equal to T sin theta. So from this diagram we can write T sin theta is equal to T sin theta. T sin theta is equal to F. Let this is our equation number 1, and T cos theta is equal to mg. Let this is our equation number 2. If we divide equation 1 by equation number 2 by dividing equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, then we'll get, or it provides us T sin theta divided by T cos theta will be equal to F divided by mg. Now as we know, the force, electrostatic force equal to QE, and denominator is mg. Now this T and T get cancelled, so after cancelling we'll get the tan theta will be equal to QE divided by mg. Now electric field is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught, but electric field due to an infinite sheet is E equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. So if we put this value of E in this equation, then we can find this tan theta will be equal to Q divided by mg multiplied by sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. So from this equation we can write the value of sigma will be equal to 2 mg epsilon naught divided by q into tan theta. Now if we put the value of tan theta, then we will find, therefore sigma will be equal to 2 mg epsilon naught divided by q into tan 45 degree. So if you put the value of tan 45 degree, then we'll get the value of sigma, means surface charge density sigma will be equal to 2 mg epsilon naught divided by q into 1. So this is our required value for surface charge density.